Hello everyone, my name is Cecilia and welcome to this class. In today's video, we will refresh the difference between present perfect and past simple. It is very common to start a conversation using the present perfect and then also use the past simple. This is because we use present perfect for things that started in the past and have some connection to the present. Therefore, it is called present perfect. However, the past simple has no connection whatsoever to the present. It is absolutely in the past. A very typical conversation could be, for example, Mary has changed her car. Wow! When did that happen? Yesterday, she bought a German car. So we are saying that she has just changed her car. So we are talking about something that has connection to the present because she bought it in the past, but she has it now, so there is some connection, but the act of buying the car is absolutely in the past and has no connection to the present. Having the car has connection to the present, but the act of buying the car has no connection and it is absolutely in the past. We also have some markers of time, for example, yet, just, and already. Whenever we use yet, just, and already, we are definitely talking about present perfect. But when we mention a time, so we mention, for example, a year or a specific date, then we need to use past simple. Another thing to take into consideration is the difference between been and gone. Been, it means that somebody has been to a place and then has returned. So, for example, I've been to London twice. He estado en Londres 2 veces. But if instead of that I say he's gone to London, I mean that he's still in London and he has not returned yet. We also need to be a bit careful with the word gone because sometimes it is also used to express that somebody has passed away, that they are gone forever, they are dead. And another thing we have to take into consideration is that whenever we are talking about life experiences, we can use the following formula. Have you ever, like for example, have you ever been to London? ¿Has estado alguna vez en Londres? Have you ever? And the answer can be yes, I have, or no, I've never been to London. So beautiful people, that was it for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. Remember that if you have doubts, please do comment them with your teacher during the class and see you again in our next video. Bye bye!